Hi there. Today we're going to make a Filipino dessert called Maja Blanca, and here are the ingredients. So first we need 3 cups of coconut milk, cornstarch, condensed milk, evaporated milk, whole corn or cream style corn, cheese for toppings, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of water to dissolve the cornstarch, and 1 cup of peanuts. Let's cook. Well, for this, we will just mix the ingredients. So we will pour the coconut milk. Alright. Just mix it up. Okay. So here's our coconut milk. And then we will pour also the evaporated milk. There you are. A can of condensed milk. Okay, so we're going to use a spoon to take it all. Next is the whole corn, or you may use cream style corn if you wanted to, but in my case, I use the whole corn. Alright. And followed by a cup of peanuts. You know, grated or whole peanut, it depends on your preference, but I prefer the whole peanuts. Right here. And we will also pour a little bit of water, right, to blend with the mixture. Okay. And then we will add up 2 cups of sugar. Alright. Now, this, we will close the lid and we will let it simmer. Alright, so we'll just let it simmer and we will set this aside first because we will go to our mixture. So here, we're going to dissolve the cornstarch with our 1.5 cup of water. Alright, so all you have to do is to make sure that there are no impurities or any granules of unmixed powder. It should be properly dissolved. So we're going to mix it. Alright, just like this. Nice and slow. It's accurate. Now it simmers. So once it simmers right now, so we're going to mix it up. Alright. So we're going to mix the dissolved cornstarch. We're going to pour it nice and slow. Alright. After this one, so we're going to mix it until it thickens like this. And then if we get the correct consistency, we're going to pour this on an empty container or any container that you want to have like this. It should be cleaned. And then we're going to pour all of this right there. But you have to make sure because it's very hot. Make sure that you're not going to get burned. Okay. There you go. So this is our Maja Blanca. So we're going to grate some cheese. Okay, to top it all up. Alright. That's it. This is our Maja Blanca. Thank you for watching.